Well, I'm getting ready for my Cook With Me live stream tonight, and I was pulling out my flour out of the cabinet. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. I'm getting some stuff out that's kind of difficult to get out. And I dropped the flour, so now I think the best way is to... I got Deborah's shop vac. I think I'm just going to suck it up. And then it kind of went down in there, so I need to raise up the stove and vacuum it. Alright, let's get this cleaned up before my live starts. I think I have about an hour. Alright, there's our leftover enchiladas from my live stream on Tuesday. I'm going to put that in a container. And I didn't use one of the corn tortillas, so I'm going to add that to it. And then in the morning, we're going to cook this with an egg on top for breakfast. So how do you heat up your enchiladas after you've cooked them the night before? Alright, so last night I did the Cook With Me and I did the cheese enchiladas. So here is my cheese enchiladas. Well, that's not. This is an extra corn tortilla that I'm just going to tear up and mix in with that. So I'm going to cook that, and I've got some chips and salsa, and that's going to be my lunch today. Alright. I'm going to put a little oil. I think I'm going to put some ghee. No, let's put some oil in there. And then I'll show you how. One of the questions was, how does the enchiladas warm up like the next day? And I will show you what I do. Put a little oil. Okay. And I don't cook this on real high heat because spread that oil around. I'm going to add some water to the enchiladas. Put a lid on it, and then that'll steam it. And do it over a low heat. Right, then I got it on a high heat. Just gonna turn it down a little slower. And before I do that, I also will break it up. I don't really care what it looks like, but it will get done more faster. Doesn't have to look like enchiladas, does it? No, not at all. Okay, let that steam. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm ready to eat. Just like that. You just kind of, you don't want to burn it. Just steam it. Steam it. Steam it. Alright, I'm going to call that done. Now it's starting to stick. This makes it juicy. Then the flour tortilla can't sop up if you wanted. the oven. I mean the stove. Alright, let's eat. Little bit of sour cream on it today. Yeah. Alright, leftover enchiladas. Hey boy. Hi. Oh, is it nap time? Is it bedtime? Look, we match. You have Carhartt. I have Carhartt. Yeah. Yeah. I bought this shirt because of you. Not really. I had the shirt and then we bought the collar. Yeah. So we can match. Carhartt. Carhartt. Yeah. Is it not nap time? Is it nap time? Mama, it's nap time. It's just Mama, it's nap time. Where the Carhartts? He says, I'm not a noodle. I'm not a noodle tonight. Oh,
he's sleepy.
He's sleepy. He said, Mama, it's time to go to sleep. It's time to go to bed. Love that little lip. We are headed into Quartzsite today. It's kind of an errand day. I need to dump and get water and propane. So we're making an afternoon of it. I'm not sure where we're going. I gotta eat. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm so hungry!
What are you doing?
The things you find in the desert.
What is it?
A mailbox.
Can we put it up at camp?
Somebody did, evidently. Hey, it's black. I just didn't want somebody running over it at night.
You want to put it in the trash or you're going to leave it right there? You're going to leave it?
I'm assuming somebody's going to come looking for it.
Okay. You never know what you'll find in the desert. I need to get some new propane hoses, so I'm going to go in here and get some. And I need a new sewer cap. Today's the day. Where are we headed?
We are headed, I started to say QI. No, we are headed to Gringo's for the mini meetup.
Mini meetup.
Yeah,
How many years have you been doing meetups?
Oh, well, my first one was in 2016, December 2016. I always say 17 because that was the 2017 season.
Yeah.
You know, but it was actually December.
In December.
2016.
Yeah, you used to do them in December and now they're in January. The mini meetups now. You did.
I also switched my annual meetup that used to be here in Quartzsite to January because people that were coming were like, now we have to come between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and some of them were at home with family for Thanksgiving and then they'd come to the meetup and have to go back home for Christmas. So I just started doing it the week before RTR.
Sorry. A little sniffing.
Oh, I didn't
Sniffing
see
going.
that. Sniff test.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna eat at, oh, I need to put on, hang on. So we're gonna go eat Mexican food at Gringo's. Yay!
Not Gringa.
Gringo. I don't remember what I get there. I'm thinking I'm wanting street tacos for some reason.
Ooh, sounds
We always get those nachos, those loaded 900-pound nachos.
true.
I'm thinking street tacos, maybe.
Speaking of 900 pounds, felt like we had to load up 900 pounds.
Yeah. It's about that jewelry.
Yeah, she's always telling me, why can't you make jewelry?
Yeah.
If we have to cart around books.
Books are heavy.
Books are heavy.
Yeah.
He ain't heavy.
But we just brought one little basket full, so.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see y'all there. Oh, but first,
Uh-oh.
where's Finn going?
Finn's gonna go with us in the stroller.
He's gonna go get his nails clipped
Oh,
first.
that's true.
I'm going to take him to get his nails clipped first, and then we're gonna go to Gringo.
You're taking him?
Well, we are.
Oh, I was gonna say, where am I going?
Well, you're just talking about the stroller, so
Oh,
I'm talking
true.
about where are we going.
Yeah, I messed up.
Yeah, Finn, if y'all haven't seen that, Finn got a new stroller so he can go everywhere with us and be safe. All right, let's go. Well, somebody picked up their mailbox that you set on the concrete.
Good. I hope they found it. Whoever lost it.
All right, we're at the Animal House Dog Grooming. 25 years experience. Oh, Finn's gonna get his nails done. I'm the worst YouTuber.